As I lay me down to sleep, I hear her speak to me. Oh, hello, Maury, how you doing? I think the storm right now, the rain, the clouds are moving. I know you're happy, 'cause I can see it. So tell the voice inside your head to believe it. I talked to God about you. He said he sent you an angel, and look at all that he gave you. You asked for one and you got two. You know I never left you, 'cause every road that leads to heaven's right beside you. So I can say hello, my only one. Just like the morning sun, you keep on rising to the sky, knows your name. And hello, my only one. Remember who you are. No, you're not perfect, but you're not your mistake. And if you knew how proud I was, you'd never shed a tear, had no fear, no, you wouldn't do that.